What's up, guys? And today I'm going to be showing you a new way I figured out how to get money. So you can see I've been doing a little bit. So this is, if you want to do efficiently, you can copy my strat. Get any pickaxe or anything to break stuff. A light source if you want to. And I just like this for mobility and easy to get the money. The grappler. And so what you're going to want to do for this is you're going to go to sewers. And you could also get research points with this too. Because you can get a max of 4 research points a day. I'm pretty sure it's either 3 or 4. And I've already got my maxed out, so I can get the holster slot. So, and now if you go down here, all the way down, and it doesn't have to, you don't have to like do anything dangerous or hard. So, you want to just mine this stuff anyway because it gives you like coins. So, what we do is we mine these. They give you about like 100 or like 50. And if you mine all of them, you get a lot. I'm going to start this trip with 48,000. And you can also get coins. Like company coins. And that's why I would like, I use the grappler so I can get this other stuff. Look, I've already made $1,000. Then I just do this repeatedly. And you can mine these for some stuff. And then if you want to, you don't have to go over there, but there's some stuff over there. And there's more spawns for crystals over there. And then look, this is why I would use the grappler, because you can just come over here, get up here, mine the things, and you can get like, since I haven't been seeing a lot of the gray things, there's not really that much to mine. But if you could look over there, I can kill the with like green light. See, look, now there's some out here. You can also mine those, because they also give the money. It might not be the fastest, but look, I'm already at 2K in like a couple minutes. And I'm not going too deep, and you can go deeper. And you can also sell the stuff that you're getting from all the mining thing. And then these, I always mine even if you have max, because you can get the company coins. But my luck right now has not been that good. You don't even have to come over here to get through sewers. It's just what I do. You can just go through here. Oh, that was... Oh no. Okay, I can make that. Red light, green light, I think just spawned back. Oh, look, a lot just respawned. And just mine all of that. And then, look, this might get me to 51K. Nope, it didn't. But, no worry, there's still more. Still more to collect. Best way to get through here is just do that. And look, some stuff can spawn here. Mine all that. Oh. 51 already. I've got 3K this trip. You should watch out for Mimic. You can go left, and there's normally a couple spawns for these that you can just mine. It is kind of loud, this video. Okay, I just got company coins. I always set off these guys because they can give us rewards. It's gonna blow up that other one. That's pretty good. Just so you know, there is gonna be a Mimic. There always is a Mimic. I'm gonna probably fight him. Get Joe, little. Yep, and then you can drop him. And if you eat these, they drop by killing enemy. You get healed and you get speed, I'm pretty sure. And you go colorblind. And then that's basically it for like the run. Other than there's some more crystal spawns here. You got more company coins. And then you can also spend your company coins on more research tokens. And then you can just leave the game after this. But to get it's easier, this is why I would have the grappler. If you're bad at the parkour. Like me. But I don't need it because I'm Sigma. If you really want to, since I don't want to, you can go over there and get more. But for my way, I just go over here, you go left, and then boom, you're at the teleporter. Press the button, and now look, I made 4K or 3K, I don't know. In a little time, you must be like, oh, but everything has to respawn. You can either turn off your Wi-Fi or type in a random code. Then boom, you're in a new server, so that means everything respawned. And then you just run that again, and then you get a lot of money. And then every day, if you can get 4 research tokens, or 3, I don't know. I got my left holster. Just if you have a glow stick in your holster, you always have to turn it back on because it turns off the stuff. It turns off the thing when you server swap or leave the game. So you always need to turn those back on. But then that's basically the run. In 2 runs, you can make like about 6K or like 8K if you get lucky spawns. But yeah, I did not get really a good spawn here. Yeah, it's simple. And there's also some spawns there. And you can also mine these to get boxes and crates and items. Hey, sir. Got 5 more though. And boom, boom, boom. Already got another grand. See, very simple, very demure. Yeah, okay. And then just mine these if you want it. If they come. Yes! Oh, this is a big spawn here. Normally not this much. Then, oh, another spawn. Just spawn. I got another K, another grand. And then just like that. I'm gonna stun the behemoth. Yes, sir. Now we can climb. Yo, I got a gold bar from that. It's very easy to get the money. If I had low money, I could show you how much you actually get in first, but I do not because I've been grinding. Whoa. I only did, like, before I started this recording, I did 2 runs, and I got about 6K. So, it was I had pretty decent spawns, I can say. Oh, we got more spawns right here for gems if you want to get research tokens. Oh, it just spawned that game. Okay, so you gotta be careful about red light, green light spawning back in. That is a little guy right there. And then you can mine more, but I'm gonna keep going through. Once again, you can keep going through, more spawns, and more goodness. This is probably a bad run. I didn't get that much spawns. If you get those to blow up on them, it gives it, look at that. That was some. And then this might get me to 5. This might get me, yep, there we go. And then this was just a bad spawn. You are going to have to deal with Mimic every time. But if you just ignore him, ooh. I missed. Ooh, yay. I am going to kill Mimic. You do not have to. Just avoid him. If you get damage in the process of killing Mimic, he will drop a health kit in the Valentine's update. You can also I got revolver ammo from them. Don't forget mine every. This will not work in the other mines because it does not have these ores. So this only works in the sewers, but it looks like I've cleared out everything here other than some cheapo. Got a little more. I only got 3K this one, but see, you still get 3 grand every one. It might be faster to do the Haunted Mansion, but this is just way simple for beginners. You don't need to have all the high tech that I do. All you need is something to mine with, and there's a free light down there if you need a light. Just all you need is at least something to mine with, and the pickaxe is the best. You can ask someone in the public for something like that, and then you can get enough money. But there's no spawns, anything over here. All you gotta do is just run over here. So in 2 runs, I made about 6 grand. And no selling, very easy, simple. And if you run this like 5 times, you will get about 10K. You might be thinking, oh, it's not really that good of a money making. It's simple and not hard. It's very simple, and you could do it in like, I'm like taking my time, but you can probably do the run in like 5 minutes. and then just go to a different code. Like, I'm gonna end the video here. I'm gonna do it like 2 more times, and I'll come back with how much money I got. I just finished my second run off camera. I got about 7K. So in 2 runs, aka 10 minutes, that was probably not even. You could probably get $1 grand every minute. The last 2 ones, I didn't get good spawns, like terrible spawns. Like there was none in the little caves, but I still got 7K for 2 terrible spawns. So it was pretty good for only like 10 minutes, I say. And I got about 20 company coins. So that is a really good way to make money in Animal Company. Also, I'm going to be showing you guys some promos to get 3 free research points. So I'm going to put all these in there. So you're going to go in Prague. There's one that's called, let me remember. Deliver value. I might have just went into a code by accident.
10 coins.
Yeah, 10 coins. I have.
Yeah, I accidentally went into the code. So you need to make sure you hit Prague, and this is promo code. Then type in deliver value. And I already redeemed it, but it gives you 1 research point. There's another is I want hook shot. And that gives you 1 research point. And there's another called Made for Me that also gives you a research token. So that should give you 3 research points to go spend on whatever luxurious thing you want. Right now I'm saving them for the adventure backpack, and then I'm gonna get the second holster. But that's basically it for this video. Just saying, I got in 15-30 minutes I made I made about I started this video at 49K. I made 12K in about 20 minutes. So that's a pretty good thing. That's a pretty good amount for only 20 minutes. I think I've been recording. Yeah. So that's a pretty good way to make money if you don't want to die like 20 times. Don't ask my fit. It's kind of yeah. So this is basically just for your knowledge of the best way. I'm yapping a lot, but this is probably going to be the end of the video. And see you guys next time.